Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to present our Raising Finance Management, Wages and Info. First slide. As you can see on the graph, January has 80% cost in our commercial products. And this December, it increased at 5%. Our budget completed at 300,000 per month. And this 1 year, we covered up at 36 million pesos. Okay. As an update for everyone, the SOA 1C Food Corporation is now the least of top in all corporations. That's all.
Thank you for the very short but wonderful report, Ms. Cabiat. So let us now proceed to the next department, the department of Ms. Esther De La Torre. Please proceed and take over. Here from the production department, Ms. Esther, go. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Going to report the production department. Design and technical support. New product and designer. Good quality of product materials. We have a 5 factory of production departments here in Manila, Cavite, Quezon City, Batangas, and Las Piñas. This department will provide the material, components, and equipment required, and essential part of this responsibility is to ensure that stocks arrive on the time and are of good quality. Thank you for your report, Ms. Esther De La Torre. Let us now proceed to the next department, the Department of Ms. Rhea Visco, the Logistics Department. Please proceed. The Logistics Department, Ms. Rhea Visco, please take over.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to report the detail of Logistics Department. My first presentation is all about the supply. One of the most buying products is the cupcakes and crackers. And as you can see, the graph, this is the result of income product, the crackers, and cupcakes. And the next slide is the sum of flavors. The chocolate, vanilla, barbecue, onion, chives. Supposed to be the rate of interest of product will highly, especially cupcakes, and that's all. Any suggestion?
No, Miss Rhea.
Thank you for your report, Ms. Rhea Visco. So let us now proceed to the next department, Ms. Karen Inish Carvajal of the Department of Information Technology. Please take over.